I think there is a lot of scope for recognising that in political discourse, which tends to be siloed very much, that you have a Minister of Health who doesn't know anything about or care about a Minister of the Environment. Whereas as individuals, as citizens, we typically care about all of these things in a kind of deep way. So part of the issue for me is driving the transparency so that citizens recognise health, biodiversity, climate are all interrelated. And in the name of our children and grandchildren, or in the name of our insurance bills in the next 10 years, we're saying we've got to do something about this, and signalling to politicians that we recognise that this comes with lifestyle changes. But these lifestyle changes might increase our well-being. They might decrease our wealth. They might not decrease our wealth, but they might increase our well-being because we're in a better world. So for me, it's about mainstreaming those conversations and making sure that people join the dots. And I think COVID has been quite instrumental, both in the sense that, as Dan was saying yesterday, there is probably an environmental signal behind it, but also in locking people in rooms where they've had more time to consider a whole range of things. And climate awareness and willingness to deal with climate as an issue, biodiversity as an issue, have risen during the course of lockdown. And certainly attitudes to our food system have palpably changed during lockdown. So as with complex systems, as I was trying to say yesterday, complex systems tend to lock themselves into a configuration that is highly resilient to change. Lockdown and COVID in general has loosed some of those things. So we have a window of opportunity through which we could build back better if we can push that slightly open door and make sure politically that open door, that opportunity is not lost.